The new one product is a wireless hair dryer, or sometimes we call it a cordless hair dryer. Anyway, the important thing is wireless or cordless, which means you can get rid of the shockless of the wires, so there's no limitation for the use location. You can take it to anywhere, anytime. You know, when you go to the travel and in the location or in anywhere, there's no location limited. That's what I mean about this new product. Is cordless, very convenient. And now you see the package here is a very nice gift box. It's really nice design. I mean, very high classic. When we open it, here is protection here, and open it. First we will say the product here. Okay, let me introduce more detail about this product here. See here inside is very nice gift box package. Okay, this is first I have to see. So this is the main body. This is the mainly hair dryer here. This is the for recharging. So it's very convenient to recharge the power here. You just put in and plug with the power inside. So it's recharging here. It's very easy. And we have two accessories. It's two nozzle here. Very easy to assemble. Just put inside. You can turn. Same. You can turn. So now I want to talk about more about this product here. I have to see first is the color design, the painting, the color painting. Well, you have to say this is very similar design with the Dyson. Yeah, I have to say yes. From the outlook, from the appearance, yes, it's very similar with Dyson design. And what I want to see this product is the effect of the touch and feeling of this plastic. Very high level. You know, I did a lot of different kitchen appearance or small appearance, but I have to say that this ABS and with this color painting, the touch feeling is really different. You know, it's not like a normal ABS or plastic material touch feeling. It's like soft, and here is a red color here, but the touch feeling soft is like you know, it's totally different. I don't know how to describe it, this feeling, but this feeling is really different. I mean, when you touch it, it's like a kind of soft plastic. It's like a kind of silicone, but it's a plastic. I have to say that it's very high level touching feeling, and the handle, yeah, very high. And here is a recharging point. Yeah, it's very, I mean, it's very nice design. So here is a control. It's very easy to control this hair dryer. Look at here is two button. So put anyone. It's just beginning. Yeah. Have two. So you have three different speed. You control anyone. And this is cold wing. So we have another heat function for the warm wings. Just put here. So this is for warming. want to turn off, keep pressing anywhere for 2 seconds, just to stop. Alright, so the operation is very easy. And yeah, so this is what I want to say about this new product. It's very, I mean, not very heavy. It's very convenient. You can take anywhere you want to go about this for this one. And yeah, the speed is very, for me, I think it can meet my request. Let me show you again.